Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the VOYEE Z890 wired headphones. As you can see, it comes in a pretty generic white box and there's a sticker on it with the barcode and the model number. So let's get into the box and see what we get. It comes in a plastic bag, as we can see. The headphones themselves have a matte black finish all around it. The headband is quite sturdy, but it is not very flexible. It requires a lot of force to make it bend. And it is extendable as well. So it can fit a plethora of head sizes. In terms of the microphone, it has about 100 degrees, more than that, it has about 300 degrees of movement, and there's a gooseneck on the microphone as well to adjust it into any shape that is comfortable for use. The earpads have a glossy finish and around it is the usual matte finish. The ear cups themselves are pretty soft and they can be adjusted along the y-axis so that it is comfortable to wear. When it comes to the cable, we have measured it to be approximately 55 inches long and it has an inline control remote. We can see that it has a volume control wheel on the side and there's a marking that shows which direction the wheel needs to be turned in order to increase or decrease the volume. On top is the microphone on-off switch. So when it is in this mode, it is in the mute setting, and if you switch it down, it is in the on mode. We also get a 3.5 mm audio jack. To get started with using this headphone, all we are going to need is a compatible device, which can be any device that supports a 3.5 mm audio jack. And all we need to do is plug the jack into its appropriate port. And there you have it. The headphones are ready for use for listening music or for answering calls. This was the unboxing of the VOYEE Z890 wired headphones. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.